One warm evening, in a small town nestled at the foot of a mountain, a little girl named Mia sat on the roof of her house, gazing up at the night sky. She loved to watch the stars twinkle above, imagining that they were little diamonds scattered across the dark sky. But tonight something strange happened. One of the stars, brighter than all the others, began to fall slowly like a golden raindrop and landed softly on the ground near her house. Mia's eyes widened in surprise. A falling star, she whispered. I have never seen one up close before. She ran down the stairs and out the door, her heart racing with excitement. As she reached the spot where the star had fallen, she found something amazing. It wasn't just a star, it was a tiny, glowing creature with wings like a butterfly. It was glowing softly, its light flickering like a candle flame. The little creature looked up at Mia's with big, bright eyes. Hello, it said in a soft, musical voice. Mia kneeled down, surprised but not scared. Who are you? She asked. I am Star, the creature said with a smile. I fell from the sky and now I'm lost. I don't know how to get back home. Mia's heart filled with sympathy. Oh no, you must want to go back to the sky. The little star nodded. I do, but I don't know the way. I have never been this far from the sky before. Mia thought for a moment. She wanted to help, but how could she? Then an idea came to her. Maybe we can find someone who knows the way. I will help you. The little star's wings fluttered happily. You would do not that for me. Of course, Mia said, smiling. Let's find a way to send you back. The two of them set off on a journey through the quiet street of the town, looking for someone who might know how to help. They visited the old wise woman who lived at the edge of the village, but she only smiled and said, the sky is where stars belong. You need to ask the moon for help. So Mia and the little star walked to the highest hill in the town, where they could see the moon shining brightly in the sky. Mia called out, Moon, can you help us? We need to send a lost star back home. The moon, glowing gently, spoke in a soft, peaceful voice. I have been waiting for this star to return. Hold it close, Mia, and I will send it back to the sky. Mia hugged the little star, feeling its warm glow against her chest. The star sparkled brighter, and in a soft breeze it lifted gently from her arms, floating higher and lighter until it reached the moon. Thank you, Mia, the star said. I will never forget your kindness. With a final bright flash, the little star returned to its place in the sky, shining as beautifully as before. Mia smiled up at the sky. From that night on, Mia would look up at the stars, knowing that even the smallest of them might need a little help finding its way. And whenever she saw a star twinkle a little brighter, she would smile